Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Cardano. So Cardano also here moved down quite strongly yesterday. It is in this kind of bear flag that we talked about. Yeah, after this sort of strong move down in a wave 3 here, highlighted in white on the 12th of May. That was the low at around 38.7 cents. We entered this upward sloping channel, which some people might call a bear flag. Yeah, and certainly which I would expect primarily to break out to the downside, and really only significant price action above 75 cents would make me think that we might actually be in a breakout scenario. Until then, my primary expectation is still and remains that we are going to go lower. And yeah, yesterday's day already pointed into that direction with a strong reaction here to that wave 2 resistance here in this overall target area. Had another, so we entered it first time here on the 31st of May. We came to 68.7 cents. We had first very strong reaction. We came down then in a wave 1, which was the first wave of the impulsive move down of this 5-wave unfolding decline. So basically, after we came down in this wave 3 on the 12th of May, we entered this wave 4, which is a corrective wave, so a correction to the upside in an overall downtrend, because nothing moves down in a straight line. You always get corrective waves which are opposite to the overall trend, which means that wave 4 price increase works basically against the higher level trend. It is also very, very clear, at least at the moment, a very clear 3-wave structure that you can count in a wave A, a wave B, and a wave C. And I mentioned to you that I absolutely dislike this move up because it doesn't have any price structure. So, or it is at least very hard to find. So all of that just points with more significance to a 3-wave move, which would then be followed clearly by a 5-wave move down. And this is currently, in my opinion, what is unfolding. A move, however, above 68.7 cents would prove that this is not the case, and that we have probably not even finished this wave 4 yet. But we are currently moving away from that risk of invalidation. We're actually following here the primary expectation at the moment, in that we moved down in a wave 1 in purple. We then moved up in a wave 2. We did not invalidate this price level. We did not move in this wave 2 above 68.7 cents. In fact, we only came up to 66.9 cents. This was the wave 2 peak. We found a reaction to it. So back then I told you here we were in a WXY, and the Y was close to being finished. We then again saw a very strong reaction to the target area again here in orange. That is, by the way, the target area where you would expect a wave 4 to finish. So we came into it once, strong reaction. Second time, strong reaction, not even a higher high. So again, weakness in the chart. And we then started to move down here in what I believe now is the purple wave 3. So we're just following the roadmap here at the moment. This could, for example, here become a head and shoulders pattern. Yeah, if you want to see it like that. But then you can also see how the Elliott waves and traditional pattern trading belong together, how they go together. So let me explain. Wave 1 down, wave 2 up. We now expect a wave 3 down. Wave 3 is normally the strongest wave, especially a wave 3 of a wave 3, which should be following next after the wave 2 here is complete in yellow. So a wave 3 of the wave 3 should be the strongest wave down. So we can prepare for that mentally already. But yeah, at the moment, after we can count, because we can count this wave 1 down complete, it is basically the wave 1 of the wave 3 in yellow, because the wave 3 itself is a 5-wave move. So in the end, we will need 5 waves in this wave 3. Yeah, and I actually moved that a little bit lower. So where are we now? We moved down here after we peaked in the wave 2 in purple. We moved down in a 5-wave move and completed the first wave of the 3rd wave in purple. So we finished here a wave 1 in yellow. We now expect, and that is what I indicated in the last video when we were yesterday here at the low, I told you that we expect higher prices in a wave 2 retracement. That is still what I'm waiting for. Let's see where those prices are going to land. Maybe I need to move that target area. Let me just double check. I'm not quite sure. Oh yeah, I think I assumed yesterday the wave 1 was finished here, but I told you we had no guarantee it was finished, so it moved a bit lower, which means you can see how the Fibonacci levels play a role in determining where the price target is. That means I can move down the wave 2 price target a bit lower, because the price target here for the wave 2 retracement is ideally between the 50% Fibonacci retracement level and the 78.6% level, so between 61.9 and 64.8 cents here in a wave 2. This is where we would ideally want to go. 60.7 cents might already be enough, but yeah, ideally you want it to go to the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. From here then, in this target area, we would expect a reversal back to the downside. And then this reversal to the downside would need to take out previous swing low, so would need to break below 57 cents. And then we have very strong indication that the wave 3 in yellow is unfolding. Also important levels to take out is the purple wave 1 low here at 53.8 cents, and then the very significant swing low here at 44.7 cents, and the most significant one being the low of the 12th of May, 38.5 cents. I do expect currently we go still below all of these levels, even though there is no absolute need to do so, but the short time frame Elliott wave count would suggest that. So this is currently what I'm looking at here. And again, always bear in mind the invalidation points up here. Yeah, and again, you can see here now how the Elliott wave method can be used together with just patterns and other stuff. Because if you are unsure about a certain wave count, you always go back to patterns, support and resistance, yeah? Because sometimes there are just periods where you're not sure. But here I think it's pretty it makes sense pretty well. But yeah, in terms of here, head and shoulders, yeah? W is the left shoulder, the wave 2 peak is the head, and the wave 2 will be the right shoulder, and you're going to break that and then move down. That is how I currently see the market. Yeah, and that is currently what we are following up here. Hopefully you liked the update about Cardano. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership and maybe even the trading course I'm currently offering on morecryptoonline.com. There will be many more videos for this trading course be coming this weekend. Yeah, every week I publish one chapter, and at the moment I'm finishing off the Elliott wave videos. There were a little bit more work, so there was a small delay, but overall I'm gonna aim for one chapter per week until we have 15 chapters. So thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.